There has to be a way to stop this monster that already attacked someone. Freddy. This is bad. If we keep getting attacked, we are all going to die. We need to defeat this monster one day. We are so lucky that we have had a medic. We are probably gonna lose him soon if we don't lock in. We need to save our grass field. Exactly, bro. That attack was really a big cut in the wound that almost killed him, which is really bad. We can't lose anyone yet. We need to. I agree with you. We should defeat this monster one day. So, what's our plan to one day destroy the monster? I don't know. Maybe we can use all our powers here combined, like your gun and Freddy's power, or maybe Astro's magic thingy, or anyone else here with powers or weapons. Hey, that's actually a good idea. But we need to get everyone's attention if you want to do that. Yeah, I know, but maybe we can tell the creator to help us and draw us a megaphone and a thingy to stand up on, so everyone can hear us when we talk on that microphone on that stage. Maybe we can beg for a phone and maybe even call outside the grass field. People outside here are good people. They can help us. Yeah, that's a pretty good plan. But I don't know about the phone plan. But yes, we probably don't need help from the outsiders. We can already probably defeat the monster without them until we will use all our power in this grass field. And maybe we can defeat the monster, which we should name Happy Lappy.